It's really important to have clear section headings on a resume, and I have a few tips for you as to how to make them really stand out. So let's head over to my Microsoft Word document real quick, and I can show you how to do that. My first idea is to put a line underneath the heading that goes all the way across the page. The way you do that is to select the whole line as I've done here, go over to this button, down to Borders and Shading. Now you can select how wide you'd like the line to be. I'm going to choose 1 point. Then click on the box where you want the line to be. I'm going to choose underneath the text, apply to paragraph, and click OK. There you have it. That's the only way you should really do that. Don't use the underscore key or the underline function because those aren't going to respond to changes that you make in the size of the font and the margins and that sort of thing. Another idea is to use small caps, and to make that work I'm going to have to put this in lowercase real quick. Oh, it's already in all caps, in small caps. So I'll show you how I did that. Go to Font, and this box right here, small caps, is checked. Now if I took it off, it would look like this. When you click on small caps, there you have it. Now, after you do that, you're probably going to need to up the font size a little bit so that it still stands out. So that's another option for you. And I think it really looks nice to expand the text. Now I'm going to put a bottom border here just because I think that looks really nice. Keep the heading in all caps. We don't want small caps for this. So we're going to expand the font section again, and we're going to go to the Advanced tab. Here we have character spacing. Drop down menu and click on Expanded. And I'm going to go probably maybe 2.5 points. That looks really nice. Click OK. And here you see how there's a little bit of space between each letter. And that can look really nice and really classy when you do that to all of your headings. You probably want to do that to your name as well. So those tips are great ones for making your headings really stand out, but do make sure that whatever you do to one heading, you do to all of them to keep your consistency.